Can I make a fast food restaurant using Bolt? And in particular, can I make one that is inspired by Donald Trump and the crazy things that he likes to offer? So, I'm going to give it a go. I think this might be tricky in places because there are certain terms that Bolt has, but we will give it a go. So, let me start typing the first prompt. Create a website for a fast food restaurant. This is inspired by brands like McDonald's or Burger King. Let's be fair. Other fast food restaurants are available. The products on sale are inspired by things that Donald Trump has said in the past. Let's see if it lets me do that. I don't know. The brand name for the restaurant is Trump Burger. Cool. Okay, let's put that prompt in and see what it comes up with. That is a pretty basic prompt to start. I hope you create a website for Trump Burger with a modern fast food restaurant design incorporating Trump-inspired menu items with a professional yet playful approach. While this is loading, I should say I have not used Bolt before. I'm a little bit late to the party, but I've heard great things in terms of its ability to create websites with no code effectively, but generate something that's pretty professional looking. Oh, here we go. Trump Burger, the most tremendous burgers. Nobody makes them better, believe me. The fake news feast. This is good. This is good. All right, how much more Trump-like can I make it? Add images of Donald Trump to the website. Let me just try and see if it'll let me do that. I'll add some tastefully placed images of Donald Trump to enhance the brand identity of the website while maintaining professionalism. To be honest, I want a bit more yellow in there. I was looking for reds and yellows, a bit more like McDonald's, but also the yellow of Trump's hair. We've enhanced the website with carefully selected images of Donald Trump and related imagery. Oh, here we go. Oh god. Scary looking at the man himself. A message from our founder. I know burgers. I have the best burgers. When you eat at Trump Burger, you're eating what I consider to be the finest burgers in the world. That's why I put my name on it. Oh, luxury locations. It's trying to load Trump Tower here. And celebrity status. Huge portions, 5-star quality and prime locations. This is great. Do any of these work as well? So we've got, I'm just going to go to the menu. So we've only got 3 items in here by the looks of things. Can I go to locations? Because it looks like it's trying to load something for locations itself. I think it's erroring there. And then about, what happens if I go to about? Will that do anything? Can I do anything from here? Or is it just a home page? I want this to have a bit more of an order flow going on here. So add an order flow, including a basket and fake payment step. The final screen should show that your order has been placed. Also, include references to Trump throughout this process. I am incredibly impressed how quick this is, by the way. Oh, wow, what a site. I know this is a really silly use case, but I just wanted to try out the tool and I thought, why not record a little video and make a silly website idea as we go. If you've created something really interesting, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know what kind of things you've created and actually what Bolt can do if you're using it to its real power. So far we are only a few minutes in though, what, 7 minutes in? We've already created 2 iterations of a website. Coded. This is insane. Okay, so it's added a complete order flow with the following features. Looks like shopping cart, checkout, Trump themed elements. What's going to add on here? Okay, order now. I'm going to add the wall up to cart. This looks just like the McDonald's site. I want 3 different wall whoppers, and you can see the prices update as we go. Make America eat again. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, don't want to put that on. We could put card payments in, but it won't let me skip my own card payment field. I don't want to actually put any of my card details on here. Well, I think we get the idea. Let's not go into an actual card payment. Okay, I want to know more about the luxury locations. Create a page with details about the store locations. This is so that I can go somewhere from this luxury location section, which looks like it's a little bit broken, to be honest. Look, I'm not judging the quality of the code. I'm not a developer myself. I'm a product manager by trade. If you're interested in product management videos, there's a bunch of them on my channel. I'm fairly new on here, so I'm still testing out different styles of videos. And I thought I'm going to do something quite raw today and just have a go with one of these AI tools, which I'm testing a few of at the moment, and just see what happens on the site itself. Great, it's saying I've created a dedicated locations page that showcases Trump Burger luxury dining locations. This change includes adding a React router for navigation, creating a new locations page component, extracting the nav bar into a separate component. It's changed quite a bit then. Adding 3 flagship locations, Trump Tower Manhattan, Mar-a-Lago Club and Trump International Hotel. Let's try and get to that page. So in theory, I thought this would be here. This image is still not loading properly, but here we go. We've got it up the top as well. So let's try and go on here. Yeah, that Trump Tower Manhattan image is just not loading. But look, this looks nice. This looks a little bit more like a hotel website at this point, but maybe that's what the McDonald's sites and the Burger King sites, etc. do with their locations pages. Okay, here we go. I'm going to add an announcement on the website about the new China location. Trump is so excited for this new site. It's going to be excellent, truly terrific. Make this front and central on the site. Let's see what I do with that. No more credits. Just when we get into the good bit. At that point, I've run out of credits for using the free trial of Bolt. But I'm actually really impressed with what it can do. I know this is a silly video and I'm being a bit playful with the idea of Trump and having Trump Burger, but I thought it would be a great way for me to learn how the tool works and try and bring an idea to life. In reality, the ability within, 10 minutes or so to create a really high fidelity website that actually has real interactions that you can navigate and explore, it's incredible. As someone that was worked in product management, has been involved in software development for over a decade, I think this kind of technology is a complete game changer in reality. And I'm just excited to try and make more use of things like this, at least in early stage prototyping, to explore what kind of design patterns or ideas we want to bring to life for real, and spend the real time actually developing it fully and making sure it works as you'd actually want it to. But for now, this is pretty cool. So wow, try Bolt. There you go, that's the video. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. As I say, this was a bit of an experiment today. I thought I'd try to record something a little bit rawer, where I was trying out a new AI tool for the first time and just showing you what I've done, and hopefully picking a kind of weird idea to test with. If you did like the video, give it a like, maybe subscribe to the channel, but also let me know in the comments what other AI tools could I do a similar video like this for.